7 Psychological Tricks to Command Respect. Stop chasing respect. Command it. Most people are ignored because they are too nice. If you want to dominate any room you walk into, use these 7 psychological tricks instantly. 1. The power of silence. Don't reveal everything. When you talk less, people listen more. Mystery creates respect. 2. The triangle gaze. Look at their left eye, then right eye, then forehead. This creates subconscious pressure that makes you the alpha. 3. Take up space. Don't cross your arms. Spread out. Claim your territory. This signals you are not afraid. 4. Delay your response. When asked a question, wait 2 seconds before answering. This shows you control the time, not them. 5. Learn to say no. Stop being available for everyone. Scarcity creates value. Be rare. 6. Walk with purpose. Don't drag your feet. Walk like you have a mission. Head up, shoulders back. 7. The walk away power. The person who cares the least holds the most power. Always show you are not afraid to leave a situation. Respect is not given, it is taken. If you want to master your mind, subscribe to Alpha Facts now.